This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Midjourney to Discord server. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add Midjourney bot to your server. First of all, make sure to sign into your Discord app and then go to your server. You have to open your browser and here type discord.gg/Midjourney and search for it. And now tap on accept invite. Accept invite. And then you will jump into Midjourney Discord server. And now tap on this menu icon and select announcements channel. Tap on this friend icon at the top right. And here you will get Midjourney bot. So all you have to need, just tap on it and tap on add to server. And now select the server where you want to add Midjourney bot. Tap on continue, authorize, confirm, and here ensure that you're not a robot. And that's it. Right now I'm in my server and here is Midjourney bot. So this is how we can add Midjourney bot to Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.